Hi, this is Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and FoxAirPower.com. How's everybody doing? So check it out. Today we're going to look at the AEA HPSS in 22 caliber. We're going to run it across the chronograph. We're going to put 2 magazines through it. These are 12 round magazines, and we're going to use these GSB 14.35 grains. So let's see what she does. Okay, I've got 3,600 psi in there. I've got the power wheel set to max. We're using the JSB 14.35 grain pellets. I've got 2 12 round magazines here. Let's see what she does.
Nice. 26.6. 914. 26.6. 900. 9. 26.4. 900. 14. 26.6. 900. 2. 26.0. 893. 25.4. 888. 25.2. 881. 24.8. 877. 24.5. 786. 19.7. 830. 22.0. 835. 22.2.
That was 12 rounds. Okay, let's continue.
863. 23.7. 861. 23.6.
This thing's kicking ass.
847. 22.9. 826. 21.7. 835. 22.2. 812. 21.0. 805. 20.7. 789. 19.8. 798. 20.3. 777. 19.2. 768. 18.8.
All right, 24th and final round.
765. 18.7.
I tell you what, this gun's a performer. All right, let's look at our shot string. Shots 1, 2, and 4, all at 26.6 foot-pounds, all at 914 feet per second. Shots 1 through 9, well over the factory rating of 20 foot-pounds of energy. Our oddball shot was actually shot number 10. I really can't explain that. Maybe that pellet had a bent skirt or something. I don't know. Anyway, back up to par with shot 11 through 19, all over 20 foot-pounds. The last few shots, just under 20 foot-pounds. But, I mean, who cares? 24 shots, high-powered shots from this 22 caliber air gun. Mind-blowing. I'm very impressed. Okay, so what I've been able to do here today is to take what we're looking at now is the original factory specs at 850 feet per second and 20 foot-pounds of energy, and edit them to the results that I've achieved today, which is up to 914 feet per second and 26.6 foot-pounds of energy. That's an increase of 64 feet per second over the original factory specs and 6.6 foot-pounds of energy over the original factory specs. Okay, something super important I almost forgot. Let's take a look here. Okay, I like this result. Look at this. We shot it down to 2000 psi, so that's our dark green usable range there as well. So 2000 psi to 3600 psi. We got two 12-round magazines out of this little pistol. And let's not forget this. Woo! That is always fun. All right, that's the AEA HPSS in 22 caliber. This thing kicked ass. It, you know, obviously outperformed the original factory specs. So I'm very pleased about that. I also want to mention I do have these 22s in stock as well as the 25 caliber HPSS pistol. So check us out at foxairpower.com and check out all the other awesome AEA air guns that we have in stock right now. So, got a lot of good things to choose from. Alright, so for now, this is Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and foxairpower.com. I want to thank everybody for being here and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.